Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your PC to factory settings. Super quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Click the Start button, then go to Settings. Next, click on System. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Recovery. Now you'll see the option Reset this PC. Click on Get Started. You'll now have two choices. Keep my files. Your documents stay, but apps and settings will be removed. Remove everything. This wipes your PC completely like it just came out of the box. For this video, we'll choose Remove Everything for a full reset. Now click Reinstall and Next. Now click Reset and your PC will be restarted. The reset process might take some time. Just be patient. Now sit back and relax while the magic happens. The reset process will take long. Just be patient. Okay, now, choose your country. I will choose United States. And here, choose your preferred keyboard input method, and click Yes. You can add a second keyboard layout here. I will skip it. Here, verify your connection. Is it connected? And click Next. Now, click Accept. Here, give your computer a name. I will call him the admin. Here, I will choose Setup for personal use. You can choose the second choice. Now, here, you can add your Microsoft account, or create another one. In this video, I will create a new account. Here, you put your new username that you choose. And create a password here. Your name and your last name here. Choose your country and put birth date here if a child uses this device. Here, add the Gmail or email recovery to help you recover password later. If you have a backup to restore, you can choose this option. I will choose Setup as new PC. Create your PIN here. You will need it to quickly log into your PC. You can uncheck all this and click Accept. You can skip all this. Skip this too. Skip. Now, Accept. You can choose Not Now. I don't need this. Decline this too. Now click Next. Skip this too. Ooh, that's it. Your PC is now like brand new. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how it went. See you in the next one. Bye.